Mtai owacho ni onge oboke moro amora mibiro chiw ka ok okaw pach jopiny. Romo ni otimore dweche 2 tok jomoko 3 negi ka mamoko 60 nomaki tok koko wuok e kindgi kod jorit mwandu mag kar kunyo mulano. Kimtai owacho ni sirkal geto yuto mar siling bilion 20 kowuok e kunyo mar mula e gwenge ma Ikolomani, kendo obiro luwo okenge duto ma chik opuodho kapok ochak kunyo mula.
They involve the issue of customary rights. What will happen to the graves of our forefathers and fathers who we buried here? And they also involve environmental rights, where we are talking about our rivers and water resources may dry up. What is the alternative?
Like now, in your area, samaki zimekufa zote kwa maji. So these artisanal miners pia wengine are creating a lot of havoc to our people. Ikiwa samaki zimekufa, hiyo maji iko na nini? Ni mercury, vitu gani?
If it takes years, we will take the 10 years. If it takes 19 years, we will take the 19 years. It's about engaging the community. And until the community has given their approval is when we shall proceed and issue those licenses.